Hey, Paul here from the Western Experience. Check out the new steel blue lace-ups. Ergonomically designed safety toes, lace-up. They come in brown and black. And here's a cool feature, they have a zipper up the side, so guys, once you lace it up, all you have to do is zip it and unzip it. You don't have to lace it every time. Super comfortable, comfort fit guarantee. If you don't like them, you bring them back. So check out the new steel blue lace-up. Your feet will love them. See us at either one of our locations in Rogers or Lakeville, that's Pleasant Hills, the Western Experience, or visit us online at phsaddle.com.